Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how you can use rank math in WordPress. So let's get started. Using rank math in 2025 is still straightforward thanks to its setup wizard and intuitive dashboard. After installing and activating the plugin from the WordPress dashboard, the onboarding wizard guides you through the connecting Google Search Console, setting up your sitemap, and choosing your basic SEO settings. So from there, you can open any post or page and use the built-in rank math panel to add focus keyword, edit meta title and description, and also apply the schema markup. That's just a few clicks. The AI-powered content AI tools in the Pro plan can also suggest related keywords, questions, and optimization tips while you write, making on-page SEO much faster. So to get the most out of the rank math in 2025, explore advanced models like instant indexing to speed up how quickly new posts appear in search results, WooCommerce SEO, product optimization, and the redirection manager to fix your broken links. Regular check and the analytics section include the rank math to monitor keyword ranking and site performance. So with its automation, beginner-friendly interface, and powerful entrance, rank math remains a top choice for managing SEO efficiently on any WordPress site. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.